Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Hi. Once again, I want to show you how I make my Bolognese, my Ragu. We started with olive oil, of course, extra virgin, a Trinity, tomato paste, of course, beef, ground beef, peas, always peas. This is, ravazzate is a rotisserie fast food. You find it in every bar, in every, actually, in every bakery, you find them. There is hot and cold, sweet and savory, and of course, Marzano tomato, basil at the end, 1 clove of garlic, and bay leaf. And we start. I heat the pan for a little while. Olive oil. Let it warm up a little bit longer. Okay. I'm going to put a clove of garlic on later. You don't like it, I don't need it. I just like for flavor, to flavor the oil. And the Trinity. You cannot do a ragu without the Trinity. I'm sorry, but that's the way we roll. Thank God my little chopper. I didn't have to chop it by hand. I usually done it for years by hand. But this time, I was